Are you tired of watching your days go by? Are you finding difficulties in dealing with daily distractions that slow you down perpetually? You can find solace in knowing that you are not alone. There are certain things you can do to tackle these issues that would allow you to take back control of your life. In this video, we'll dive into some of the methods that you can take to change your current routine, like reducing the amount of time spent on social media, being disciplined, and avoiding the constant need to complain or focus on your problems. If you've been struggling with something like this, then let's not waste any more time and get started. Number 1. Staying positive. If you are the type of person that tells yourself you are useless or you'll never get it done, then listen carefully. You have to stop surrounding yourself with negativity or people that think negatively. Despite how inevitable the negative is in reality, you have to stand up and face your mind and say, we have to get this done today, because there is no success without failure. Conquer the negativity in your mind. Every day you wake up, speak words of affirmation and reassure yourself that what you're doing is meaningful and what needs to be done has purpose. Number 2. Social media. So much time is wasted scrolling on the internet, scrolling on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok or Facebook, and yet people still have the audacity to say, I have no time to read a book. Look at the time you're spending on your phone every day. Time you could have used to make a significant difference in your life. If you can't control the urge, then you should delete those apps from your phone. Stop wasting your time on social media because it isn't going anywhere and your life is being wasted away. Stop being distracted. Be disciplined. Number 3. Being disciplined. To be disciplined is to be capable of making sacrifices. Unless you take risks, nothing will ever be satisfying or achievable for you. You have to seek the hard tasks, do them more, and start to enjoy being in uncomfortable situations. Discipline is forcing yourself to do what you know you should, when you should, regardless of how you feel in the moment. Discipline is a skill that is built over time. Discipline is consistent commitment. Number 4. Stop caring what others think of you. One of the biggest issues in today's world is the opinion of others in our lives. You are scared to chase your dream because you're scared that your friends will laugh at you. You're afraid of chasing your dream because you think your family will criticize you and say you can't be successful doing this or that. You have to transcend the opinion of others in life and be comfortable with who you are and what you want to do with your life. Grow a pair and do what needs to be done because adversity is the foundation of success. Number 5. Strategizing. Hearing this word for the 100th time today, right? As cliche as it may sound, you can't escape the fact that all successful people plan their day down to a T. Unless your time is allocated for at all times, success will remain a fairy tale to you. Break down your daily goals into practical and realistic tasks. Create a timeline that outlines how you will tackle each issue. Continue to self-evaluate and adapt to daily changes. You don't have to punish yourself. Remember at all times that life is a dynamic journey and not a foot race. Number 6. Stop complaining. Stop complaining and stop whining so much. Why are you more concerned about things you can't even control? What are you waiting for? Stop waiting for something magical to happen and get up and do the work. Most of the issues you are complaining about can be resolved if you apply yourself. But instead, you're always complaining about, I don't like the new this or that. I don't like how this person does this or that. Hold yourself accountable because no one wants the success you want as much as you do. Number 7. Focusing on problems. You have to wake up from the dream of finding excuses for why you're not getting the work done. Wasting time thinking about problems is only draining you mentally and emotionally with no gain in the end. You have to acknowledge that focusing on the problems you have won't fix them. Create a method of ideation that allows you to find solutions much easier and start to focus more on finding solutions rather than dwelling on the problems. Start to practice being grateful for what you have actually achieved. Be grateful for where you currently are. That will help propel you to the heights you seek. And if all things come crumbling down, seek help. Number 8. Getting help. If your problems get overwhelming, then seek help. Knowing when to be humble and acknowledging your incapability in doing a certain task is part of the growth you need to succeed. Don't get stuck in a lie. Get professional help from experienced individuals. Ask for family to intervene if they are supportive of what you are doing. Always remember that asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Alright, so those are the first 8 steps you can take to make the changes you need. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. We are trying to hit the 100k mark. Leave a like and your comments and thoughts below. Until the next video, stay safe.